I have a real nice stitch here and I'm calling it spikes. That's what they look like. So this is a multiple of 6 stitches plus 1 for each edge. So I have 30, which is a multiple of 6, plus 2, I have 32. And I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. And this is a thick number 4 worsted yarn, and I'm using size 9 US needles, which is the same as 5.5 millimeters. So let's do this rows, and let's make believe that we casted on our stitches the way I cast it on, as I made a slip knot. Put it in my needle and did a long tail cast on. That means like so. Okay, so on rows number 1, 3, 5, and 7 are all the same, and this is what we're going to be doing. Knit 1, because that's always what you do at the beginning and at the end. Now yarn over, slide knitwise, knit these 2 stitches together, and the stitch that you slid goes over that last one, and yarn over. Now we're going to knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do that repetition again. Yarn over, slide, knit these 2 stitches together. The stitch that you slid goes over that last one, and yarn over. So there's a yarn over on each side of that yarn there, SK2P. So knit 3. Let's do that again. Yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that slip stitch over, and yarn over, and knit 3. Again, yarn over, slide, knit these 2 stitches together, pass that slip stitch over, yarn over, and knit 3. Again, yarn over, slide, knit these 2 stitches together, pass the slip stitch over, yarn over, and knit 3. And the last one, you knit. Now rows number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16, you're going to knit the first and the last stitch, and all the others you purl. Make sure you purl your yarn overs. This is row number 3. So knit the first one and the last, and then yarn over, slide 1 stitch, knit those 2 stitches together, pass the slip stitch over, and yarn over, and knit 3. So it's the same as row number 1, and row number 5 and number 7 are going to be also the same. So yarn over, slide, knit those 2 stitches together, pass that one over, yarn over, and knit 3. Okay, and so since we want our design to be alternated, we're going to do the opposite here. And this is row 9, 11, 13, and 15. So we're going to knit 1 at the beginning and at the end, and then knit 3, slide 1 knitwise, knit these 2 stitches together, pass the slit one over, and yarn over. Again, 1, 2, 3 knits, yarn over, slide 1 knitwise, knit these 2 stitches together, and the one you slit goes over the last one, and then yarn over. Again, this is the repetition, so 1, 2, 3 knits, yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, and this one goes over, and yarn over. So 1, 2, 3, slide, knit 2 together, pass over, and yarn over. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slide, knit these 2 stitches together, pass over, and yarn over, and then the last one you knit. And then the wrong side rows are always knit the first one and the last one, and the rest of them you purl. And that's it. That is the only thing with this stitch. It's really easy, and it looks fancy. So let me show you. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends, and subscribe and like our page. I will see you next time.